How many wheels can you fit in a Mercedes? Let's find out. 1, 2, 5. Now you know. So what the f happened to my wheels, you might be asking? Well, if you're following me on Instagram, you would know. Link in description. So basically, I went to a drag strip in Bakersfield. That's 100 miles away from where I live. And I said, hey, I gotta put some nice rims on my whip. So I did it. And everything was going so well until my friend Evan asked me to do a burnout, right? Bada bing, bada boom, guess what? The axle snaps. Okay, whatever, it's only one axle. It's a welded diff, I can still drive it, right? The morning after, I'm driving on the freeway and the wheels fall off. Well, the left wheel, right? Oh my God, bro, it happened. Where's my tire? It's all way over there! Evan! No! With these brand new 3-piece rims with brand new Pirellis on it, completely annihilated it, and the tires are destroyed too because there's a bubble in here now. I cannot use this tire anymore. All thanks to AutoZone spacers. So if you are gonna run spacers, do not use those. Use these aluminum ones, right? They bolt on and then you bolt your wheels on. I'm surprised that this 2-inch spacer was more safe than these stupid little things right here. So I was basically stuck in Bakersfield with a broken rim and I had to do something about it. So went on OfferUp, found some rednecks and bought some AMG rims off of them. A full set, 5 of them, right? 4 and a spare, and they're still chrome. Oh, fuck, I got a problem, bro. At least they're AMGs though. He was trying to sell me other rims. I said, what else you got in the back? He said, I got these AMGs. So I'll give you $200. He took it. These rims right here, they'll sell for like $1,000 on OfferUp. Find the right person. $600, the lowest. A little bit of business marketing right there. But anyways, the Mercedes is pretty shiny because I buffed it out. We're getting ready for something special. You guys gotta stay tuned. I'm telling you, it's gonna be really special. It's gonna be really dope once I fix these rims and once I put some coilovers on it. Okay, so y'all are coming with me. We gotta figure out this tire situation. I did find a shop that will be able to weld it. It is gonna mess up the chrome on the barrel right there, but I mean, it's already messed up, so what more can we do? Oh, and this car back here, right here, you guys gotta stay tuned because eventually we're going to 2J swap this 95 Toyota Corolla. So we got the trusty Toyota Corolla right there, lifted to the max. And we got our $200 C1500 that I literally got for 200 bucks. Grandpa driven. I gotta show you the interior on this thing. Check it out. We got blue interior. Everything is still in one piece, even the dash. Basically, quick story long short, I got this thing from a friend of a friend, and it was their grandpa's, and their grandpa had some health issues, so he couldn't fix it. So what I did, I bought it for 200 bucks, 200,000 miles on it, changed the steering column, that's all it needed, and bada bing, bada boom, I got a $200 truck. Starts out pretty nicely. Now, if I do get some YouTube money, that would be nice. I might put twin turb skis on this thing, man. But that's just talk, so we'll see what happens with this thing. I never wanted to make a video on it yet because I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Obviously, it's gotta get a nice paint job, but anyways, enough talking, let's get it. So we're here at the shop. The guy does not want me to record inside, so he's not getting a shout out, man. That's how it works. So check it out, it's the next day. We have our tire, and it's actually pregnant. So this tire is completely done. He put on the rim just to show that it holds air, but I gotta go buy me another Pirelli. Now for the welding that he did, he told me the chrome would come off and then it wouldn't be completely how it was before, which is understandable because you gotta repair, you gotta take the chrome off to repair it. So I mean, I gotta live with that. I'm probably gonna try to polish it out just so it's not as profound. But yeah, for the price I paid, the wheel is on, it's ready to go again. I could run the 3 pieces again, so it's like a little expensive lesson to make sure that you run the right spacers. So anyways, if you guys are in the Valley area, check these guys out because they know what they're doing. There you go. Cool guy, no complaints. Got the job done in under a day, so let's get those 3 pieces on. You approve of the fix? Do I get an approval? Yeah, it's good. It's a new day, new dollar. We got the homie, the man himself, the myth, the legend, Leonardo DiCaprio.
I already know, out here fixing Mercedes mistakes.
What you getting?
My new rotors for fun.
You funny, you. Why are you cutting this with the freaking pliers, bro?
Because it worked.
What the Clean. Yeah, what we doing, man?
Ricer.
There we go, rice these calipers out. We got green. We gonna make them green. Yeah, what do you think about it, man? Get over here. What are you doing?
It looks...
No comment? We got the brake rotor space.
If you didn't put the gloss thing, but since you put the gloss thing, it looks more.
Yeah. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like, hit that subscribe, stay tuned because I got more coming. I'm out. Ew. Okay, Ellie, we finally got it done. Let's see what it looks like with the good light.
Looking low and sexy.
Oh my. Give me that light. No, we talking.